everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for March 10th through March 16th. It is going to be a little bit of a slower week than what we had, but it's fine. It's nice to sometimes just kind of take a little break. But I'm here to share with you guys deals. Now, you guys can always check out these ads on the Walgreens website. On Wednesdays is when they usually pop up, so it's going to be an okay week. So as you guys see on the page right here, they got General Mills cereal 2 for $4. Now a lot of you guys got those $1 off of 2 coupons, so you guys could get them for $1.50 if you guys are interested in cereal deals. You guys know I've been craving cereal lately, so anytime I can get a cereal deal, I'll do that. Now right here they got the Crest toothpaste for $2.99, and then there's going to be an online coupon for $2 off. And then it says you guys get $3 when you guys buy 3. Now, those coupons that we have in the P&G do expire, so we won't be able to use those. I don't know if this is going to be a good deal because all it says is just Crest toothpaste. It doesn't say anything about mouthwash or toothbrushes. So it either will be like, I don't even know. I didn't even do the math on it because I don't know what digital coupons will pop up. But hopefully it turns out to be a better deal. Usually if we could do that 3 times, it would be free, but I have a feeling it's not going to be. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that, to make sure to check your digital coupons. There might be even something fun that pops up on us. You never know. I'm hoping something big pops up on that. They got deals of the week, Downy and Tide for $4.95. We have the $2 off coupons for online, making them $2.95. It's an okay deal. I feel like the Downy is something I rarely ever get. So $2.95 I think is an okay price if you guys are interested in that. A lot of food deals, nothing really popping up. If you guys are really craving olives, they're 99 cents this week. There is a coupon that you usually can print off if you guys go to the Lindsay Olives website. You can actually just print off $1 off of 2. You just have to sign up on email. So those you could get for like 50 cents if you guys are interested in that. I have so many olives, I don't need to get those, but otherwise there's that. More food deals, nothing really popping out. Yeah. Now we're going to the Easter stuff. Now you're going to start seeing Easter stuff on sale because it's right around the corner. One thing I do like about right here is they have like a 3-pack of bubbles or a bubble wand. It just says bubble toys. Those are going to be 49 cents. So those are great items if you guys are starting to think about Easter baskets. I need to start figuring out what I want to get my son for Easter. We're going to try to cut back on certain things, but still want to give him something. So checking out that if you guys are interested. Now here we got some cleanup items. They got some stuff for $4.74 after the coupon. The Dawn dish soap is 99 cents. We have a 25-cent off coupon. I think that's in the P&G. You guys will get them for 74 cents. I haven't stocked up on Dawn dish soap in forever, but we do got that. They got the bigger Scott's and the other ones for $5.99, but we can't use the coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet, but they do have the deals for the $5 ones that is in the coupon booklet. So there's those. Here we got a deal where if it's spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Now I love Persil, but the only thing is those coupons have a limit of 1. So otherwise I'd say buy 4 Persils, but you know we can't because it has a limit of 1. But there is a $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. Renews-its are 89 cents. We are getting a buy 3 get 1 free coupon, making them just 66 cents a piece if you guys buy all 4 of them. Here they got Mitchum deodorants, buy 1 get 1 50% off. There's going to be coupons. There's either a $1 off coupon, I think, and then there's a $2 off coupon. I can't remember. But if you buy 2, you get $1 in points. The Right Guard is 2 for $6. We are getting buy 1 get 1 free coupons. Then it says you get 5,000 points when you guys spend 20. Those coupons are, again, also a limit of 1. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Now we're at more beauty care stuff. The Aussie and Herbal Essence are going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off. We are getting 2 off of 2 coupons, so if you guys need to stock up on that stuff, go for it. Otherwise, really nothing's really popping out. The Dial body wash are $3.99. We are getting $1 off coupons, but those coupons are also a limit of 1. So if you guys spend $20, you get 5,000 points. So something I haven't really gotten, but I'm really hoping there's some good digital coupons that we can use. Now there's the Schick and the Shave deal. Now usually those coupons you can do a limit of 2, so I kind of figured out a little scenario. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to buy 2 razors and 3 of the shave creams. Comes out to be $20.95. You guys can use 2 $3 off coupons for the Schick, and then you guys can also use 2 $1 off coupons for the Skintimate gel or the edge thing. Sometimes there might be digital coupons, so you guys can usually stack those. But they come out to be $12.95. If you guys get 5,000 points for spending $20, it comes out to be $7.95 or just $1.59 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really want to stock up on that stuff, I say go for it. Now here is the big deal right here. This is something that I noticed and I'm super excited for. Is Gillette shave gel or cream. I don't know if the female's cream in it, but it's just the men's. Those are going to be $1.99. Now I don't know if those are the tiny little things or if they're the ones that are like a good deal. But $1.99, and then you guys will get a $5 register reward when you buy 3. So if you buy 3 of them, you guys will pay $5.97. You get that $5 register reward. Comes out to be 97 cents or 32 cents a piece. So if you guys want to do this deal, I say go for it because people will be taking a ton off the shelf. So just giving you guys a heads up on that, but that is going to be probably the best deal so far of the week that I saw. Medicines, nothing really popping out for medicines. I feel like we haven't gotten medicines for a while, but hey, if you guys need some more medicines and all that stuff, batteries, photos. There is a free 8x10 photo that is going to be coming out, but I think it's for the end of the month, but I just want to give you guys a heads up on that, that if you guys are interested, keep an eye out for that and figure out what photo you want to do so when it does come available. And now we're on the last page of the ad. They got all or snuggle 2 for $6. We are getting $2 off of 2 coupons, making them 2 for $4, making them $2 a piece. There is a deal, I think, in Savings Star where you guys can get some bonus points with that. The Cadbury eggs and the Reese's eggs are 4 for $2. So basically they're 4 for $3. There's that $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them about 50 cents a piece. Dixie plates are buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting $1 off a 2 online coupon. So those could be a pretty good price. I like to stock up on those paper plates. I used to use the cheap crap, but now I use the nice Dixie ones because why not? They're a whole lot cheaper. Purex is buy one, get one free. So we got that, but otherwise it's an okay week. But I just wanted to share with you guys some deals at Walgreens. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.